Everyone, I am Mayur Jagtap and welcome to My Capital Choice. Today we are going to see what will be possibilities of Nifty movement. So currently on today 26 May Nifty closes at 15,301. So it is almost about to 15,300. So what could be possibilities from here? Tomorrow will be the monthly expiry of May month of 2020. So here is one possibility where the Nifty will break its previous high, which is 15,431. If Nifty can manage to give closing above this point, so then Nifty will go for higher sides. So we will look at where there is a first possibility. Here it is a rounding bottom formation. So this will the showing strong uptrend in upcoming days till 16,500. So this could be one possible range. Nifty can touch the mark of 16,500 in upcoming time. Second possibility, for this Nifty have to cross this its previous high, which is around 15,431. So if Nifty can manage to cross this high, then definitely it will show around 1000 to 1500 points rally. So this is the current scenario on daily chart of Nifty index. So let's look at what the more things regarding this. So you are able to see here is a support line also present. The low which makes last year, from that low it is taking continuous support on this line. So this is the support line for Nifty. So there could be possibilities Nifty will go further for 16,500 and then it will turn down from this support line, and this support line will act as a resistance line for upcoming days. So this is one possibility when we look at daily chart. So now we will look for weekly charts, what could be possibilities. Here is a weekly chart. On weekly chart, here we are able to see it is a formation of double top. So at double top, this could be the possibility if Nifty managed to close above its previous high or first top, then it will go further for next all-time high for Nifty. So second possibility is this will get downside from here and forming second top, and this is a neckline for this, and if Nifty could able to manage this range, if Nifty breaks 14,500 in upcoming days after making second top, then it will be complete reversal until it will goes through the around 11,600. This could be second possible range, and first is around 12,500. These are two possible range. One is 12,500 and second is around 11,400. So these are possible range on weekly charts. So let's look at monthly chart. So what could be possibilities? So let's shift to the monthly chart. So here it is showing this is a completely strong bullish candle in May month of year 2021. April and March, that 2 months the Nifty index made the bearish candle. In March month it is completely doji candle, almost doji candle on monthly chart, that quite sign of the reversal, but it turned in May as a strong bullish trend. So what could be possibilities on monthly chart? First of all, this could be the support line for Nifty on monthly chart. So this is the support line for Nifty chart. If Nifty come down to the 14,000, that it will be completely reversal trend. So it is 14,000, it is a key level for Nifty in upcoming time. So here is a possibilities, it will make new high around 16,000 or 16,500, or it may be it form a rounding top. Here Nifty will stuck in this block, and after breaking this range, Nifty will fall down. This could be possible range for Nifty. So fall, we can't say how much points fall, or we can't say how much points uptrend, but it is for uptrend around 1000 to 1500 points rally left in still Nifty before making any correction. So once Nifty going to range for 16,000 to 16,400, my suggestion, book your partial book profits in some stocks which are giving very good profits. Book that stocks with 50% quantity, and that stocks which giving around quite good returns or moderate returns, book that quantity with 40% quantities. And those stocks which not giving much returns and in future also that will not able to perform good, so book whatever profit in that stocks and keep only quality stocks in your portfolio. This is my suggestion, because in long run only quality stocks will sustain with market. And many examples we have in 2008 crisis, there are like Urban Offshore, like Suzlon, the stocks we are that are tremendously at high levels. The Suzlon, I am remember Suzlon around trading at 1400, and Urban Offshore around 5500. The HFCL, the recent, we picked the HFCL stock for short term trading range. It is could be range for around 6 months, 7 months, but we picked that stock around 16 rupees, and currently it is traded around the 50 rupees. But that stock in .com bubble during the era of Ketan Parekh, it traded around 2200, and after that it's making continuously low, and around 2007 that HFCL stock trading around 65 rupees, and currently it is around 50 rupees, and it made low around 16 to 12 rupees. And after that stock gives strong uptrend, and we are holding that stock also along with Indian Oil, Oswal Chemicals, and many other stocks are already updated on my Telegram channel. You can join there, and also I am putting there also daily market updates, so you can watch there whatever I am updating in my Telegram channel. Because on YouTube I as I told I am working professional, so I didn't getting more time for making YouTube videos, so I have possible to update on Telegram in daytime also or evening also. So I am updating there because it is a handy medium to me for updating my connections, so you can stay there also. So for this video we winding up in this, so I summarize this video. In this video we look the probabilities of Nifty movement in upcoming time on daily chart, also weekly chart, also and monthly charts also. On monthly chart we are ended with the forming of rounded top in upcoming months. It could be 6 months, 7 months or 8 months, that we can't predict whatever months it will be will take for forming a rounding top, or it may be going a continuous uptrend. You don't know whatever Nifty going. So just keep in mind, hold your profitable positions and the book your position which are in losses or which given quite low returns. So just learn about riding your winning positions. It's all about market. So for today we are winding this video. So bye bye. We will meet in next video with another topic.